Alright, hello. My name is Caleb Brady, and I am back once again with some more programming. This is going to be for Chapter 18, the card game. I got a few programs to show off here. Unlike last week, this week I actually knew what I was doing, and, well, it was funny. I was struggling for a while, but all of a sudden while rewatching Parks and Rec, it hit me, and I was able to solve it. I was able to crack the code, as one might say. So what happens is we have a class name card, which represents a card from a deck of cards. It's able to create values like from 2 to 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace, along with clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. And yeah, and then the deck is another class which contains all the cards, and you can shuffle it, and it will be able to deal a card. And then you have the player, which is another class, and they are allowed to get cards and show cards. And then finally, we have a demonstration class, which gives uh, two players five cards, two players five cards, and displays both hands. So yeah, let's check it out. So this is demonstration. I'll go over that in a minute. This is the card. So we get we show that the different the suits. That's what they're called. We got spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs, all represented by different numbers. And then ace is 1 because usually aces are worth 1. Jacks are 11, queen 12, king 13, going by order of how high they are. Sorry, Jesus. um, and yeah, we get the value, the suit. It's gonna return it as this. It will return it as uh, blank, so that it's gonna say 5 of clubs. We got the difference here. We got ace is gonna be 1, two's 2, all the way up to 10's 10, and then we get the jack 11, 12 queen, 13 king, and if it's none of those, it's just gonna return it invalid. But as you'll see, that's not gonna happen. Sorry. So with it, we got the deck, which is going to contain 52 cards. It creates kind of like an array of cards, which is just 52. Um, and we can shuffle it, which is another thing that was asked for. We'll shuffle the cards, um, and we'll return the cards to the left, and it will deal cards too, which is all nice. And players, this has a whole bunch of stuff because I just didn't add some stuff, but it wasn't necessary stuff. So the player will be the new player. You can add a card, and it will add a card. You can do all this stuff too. This was other stuff I was experimenting with. I asked some people online help. I also, for this part here, I'm gonna go to Stack Overflow for help, but I didn't need to eventually. I just popped into how to do it while I was watching Netflix. So we'll get the card and stuff like that. So finally, we got this. Um, this I didn't. I could have done better. I could have made it more organized, but at this point, I was just like, oh my gosh, I have it. I just wanted to get it out there before it left my mind, and it works. It works. Um, so it creates 10 cards. It creates the deck, and it creates two players. And then I got this here for a for loop at the end. So it declares the deck, shuffles the deck, and then it creates cards. Could I? No. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. Never mind. That's not important. All right. So it's just yeah. Then it draws a card. It deals the card from the deck to assign from each card, and then it declares the players. I could have done that up there, but I did it right here. And then it gives each player a card. You see, it gives player one first, then two, then one, then two, and then it just says player one has this card, player two has discarding. I did a for loop for that. I could have put them all so it just says player one's cards first, then player two's, but I didn't do that. Just but it works. We can see player one has 7 spades, queen of diamonds, player two has queen of diamonds, ace. So we got a 7, a 3, an ace, an 8, an 8, a queen. Player 2 has a queen, a 3, a king, a 5, and a 5. I think player 1 wins here. He's got the 2 8s. Yeah. So yeah. And if we do it again, player 1 has the queen, 4, 5, another queen, and a 9. Player 2 has an ace, a 2, a king, a 3, and a jack. And then once again, player 1 wins. Lucky player 1. Alright. So I'll probably see you again next week, and this is already going way over the 5-minute mark, but have a good week.